So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. I am waiting anxiously for Spain versus the Germans. And yes, anybody who hasn't checked out the previous video, we spoke at length about Christian Pulisic linked to Arsenal. Freeway tussle for his signature. Okay, mate. Go and check that video out. Previous video on the channel dropped at around 11 o'clock last night. I've got to think about this. Time scales, time differences, and I'm recording this before I'm putting it out the next day. But yes, it did drop last night. Big up to everybody who has been smashing the likes up. If you haven't, why? Big up to everybody who's subscribed to the channel, following the TikTok, Facebook, and Insta. All links down below. And go and check them out. But tabletop in Arsenal can literally go and sign 100 million players this window because everybody is on their knees for Arsenal. They all want us. Make sure you check out later on today as well, by the way. I'm going to be live with Kenny and Jez on the Real Talk podcast. That will be at 5 p.m. UK time. Let's keep your eyes peeled for that. But let's start off with Tielemans. Yuri Tielemans, free agents in the summer. Yuri Tielemans. He's on his knees. Apparently, he's on his knees. He's ready to bow down and beg for Arsenal to sign him. Who writes this stuff? Real talk. Real talk. These journalists. Anyone can be a journo these days. Anyone. You guys in the chat, give us your best journo story. Like, just make up a fake story. Yeah, just make up a fake story. Maybe I should make up a fake story between now and the end of January. Just make one up. Let's just make one up. Like, because it's so easy for these people to go, oh my God, I can write in Arabic and everyone will rate me. What happened to that guy, AFC Bell? Where did he disappear to? Although he was right on Thomas Partey deal, I can't lie. But what happened to the plug? Yeah, Massimiliano Allegri. Who? He's house hunting in Mill Hill. Literally anybody on the internet can be a journalist these days. So yeah, I'd like you to leave your best transfer story in the comments of players that are going to be linked to Arsenal. Your story, your player that's linked to Arsenal and the fee. Don't make them too unbelievable, but make them like the journos do. I don't call them journos. They're just idiots. But anyway, we're digressing. Yuri Tielemans apparently is wanting the Arsenal move so badly. Of course he is. Leicester are doomed. Why wouldn't he? Who else is going to sign him? Let's be real. I've kind of gone off the idea of Yuri Tielemans. I can't lie. I think there's better players out there that we can get. And although I do like him, I think he's a good footballer, but I'm not so sure he's the guy to elevate us. And listen, we've been elevated this season. We're top of the table for a reason. We've been the best team in the league, not only to watch, but with the results, best defense, a joint with Newcastle. Why do we need Tielemans? This is going to be the Hussein Aouar of a couple of years ago, where he was on his knees, we were on our knees, the board were in love with the idea of signing Aouar. And then the following summer, we could have got him half price, didn't bother. This is going to be the same with Tielemans, I think. And despite me liking him and thinking he's a good player, I don't think he's what we currently need. He is only 25. Does that classify as Project Youth? I don't know. When does Project Youth? What age is the cutoff? Leave that in the comment section. But I don't think we're signing Tielemans. I don't think we want him. And I think he and his agent are using Arsenal as kind of leverage to go to maybe West Ham, maybe even Newcastle. I like Newcastle as well. I'm not even mugging it. Big up, by the way. It's literally 42 minutes till kickoff in the Spain-Germany game. I would say give us your score predictions, but you know the result. Cheers. Spain are going to slap them. The Germans are going home disgraced. But yeah, let me know whether you want Tielemans. I've gone off the idea. Anyway, smash the likes up. Let's move on. Mudryk. Mudders. I'm in the mudders. Mudryk. Oh, my days. Yes. There's a secret going. Oh, dear. It is a secret within the Shakhtar Donetsk hierarchy. A secret. That's what I've seen today. It is a secret that they will currently accept around 40 million plus add-ons for Mudders, even though publicly they want double. Well, that secret lasted well, didn't it, my friend? Because now you've made it public. So I'm saying, just leave your transfer bullshit in the comments, because I'm going to make up a story. You're not even going to know, because I'm going to make it so believable. Maybe I'm making this story up. Who knows? But this, oh yes, they will accept 40 million. Arsenal set to win the race. What kind of race is it? Is it a 100-meter sprint? Is it an 800-meter? Is it 100-meter hurdles? I don't know. I don't get it. Arsenal set to win the race. These are all buzzwords, people. Arsenal poised. That's a good one from the Daily Mail. Arsenal are poised to sign the Ukrainian Neymar. No disrespect to this lad, yeah, right? But this kid is 22 on the 5th of January. What was Neymar doing at 22 years old, people? Leave that in the comment section about, wow, Ukrainian Neymar. That's what I'm saying, bro. This is why I'm here. You're lucky you got me, because there will be other channels out there sitting there going, oh my God, it's definitely happening. Oh yes, we're on our knees for him. Oh, we'll stick it all over me boobs. All of them are, whoa, yeah, give it to me. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. I sit here and dissect the BS. They won't accept 40 mil. And if they do, the price was always 40 mil. But it makes it sound good. Let's put a 100 million euro price tag on this kid that no one's ever watched unless they watch Ukrainian League football, which nobody does. But it sounds good. Yeah, Pop Smoke tune, Bosh, compilation, get him in. Oh, but they'll accept 40 mil. I've seen, if you Google Mudryk Arsenal and then scroll down past the headlines, Arsenal set to win the race, Arsenal poised to sign Ukrainian Neymar. The next one down, Arsenal handed major Mudryk transfer boost. Football London is the scummiest platform out there. Ignore everything they say. After Shakhtar 90 million U-turn. Notice how they're all hooks. They're all buzzwords. They're all, oh my God, it's like a Patrick Truman. What we can get him for 40 million cheap. What is going on here? Seriously, this is the state of modern day journalism. Literally anyone 14 and above with a social media account can be putting this out. But when you scroll past that and go down to the videos that are out there, big up Terry Flewers. Arsenal just got scarier. I fucking love you, Tel. Arsenal just got scarier. Mudryk, deal done? Question mark. Above that, this is why Arsenal want Mudryk. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Charlie Boy Watts, Danilo in January, question mark. If you put a question mark at the end of it, it's not clickbait. Good one. Yeah, that guy, man. Proper. Next one. Here is why Arsenal want to sign Mudryk. That was a month ago. Unbelievable. Let me tell you something right now. Arsenal are not signing Mudryk. They're not signing Tillemans. And they're probably not signing Danilo. Out of the three, if I was to put money on it, I'd go Danilo. Do you know why? Because he's the cheapest. And he would be the cheapest overall package in terms of wages. He wouldn't have any fees in terms of exposure that comes with him. Oh, we can put you out here, here, and here, like image rights, etc. He would probably be the cheapest. The Ukrainian Neymar, as he's been dubbed, oh, he's going to come for, what, 50 mil? But it was 92 days. Get out of here, man. These stories are a load of garbage. Yeah, I love doing these videos because it exposes how fake and how rubbish. Like, if you write down how many players Arsenal have been linked to already, and I've only been doing these transfer videos for about 4 days now, 3-4 days. If you write down how many, I could do another 10 videos a day. Now write down every single name of a player that Arsenal are linked to, according to the journalists, and then do that until the end of January when it slams shut. Buzzword, transfer window slams shut. They make it so dramatic. Work out how many players we've been linked to between now and the end of January. I guarantee we're linked to about 60 players. And guess how many were signed? One. On that bombshell, subscribe, like, share. Mudders ain't coming. Tilly ain't coming. Danilo's probably not coming. And we'll probably get rid of some players. Good here, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to go and watch Spain, my adopted country, go and slap up the Germans, nincompoops. And yeah, it's going to be peak. Make sure you come back tomorrow, or later today, should I say, and join me, Kenny, and Jez for the Real Talk podcast. And make sure you check out the previous videos. Leave your donations in the chat if you wish. Hit the thanks option. Press the button that has the pencil. Delete the thanks and write what you want. Cheers, guys. We're out of here. Listen, I'm in sarcasm mood, so I'm going to go and relax. I'm going to go and chill. I'm going to take a shower. And then we're going to watch Spain do a mazza. Make sure you follow all of the socials, and I'll be back again at 5 p.m. UK time with Kenny and Jez. Adios, amigos. Journalists out.